Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Palm Beach Villas in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. Now Runaway Bay is in St. Ann and you get there via the Northern Coastal Highway. Now these are some very nice villas. They are in they're in Runaway Bay. So this project, the Palm Beach Villas, is on 21 acres. So it's spread out, very nicely put together. And this project will have 22 standalone villas in it. So there you can see the villas under construction. Now, the Airbnb market in Jamaica is doing very well. Tourism is one of the major projects in one of the major industries in Jamaica. And these units are being built in the prime tourist area. So from Runaway Bay, you can get to the Sangster International Airport quite easily on the Northern Coastal Highway. It's about a half an hour to 45-minute drive. And you can get to Ocho Rios quite easily, which is in the other direction on the same highway. Now, Ocho Rios has all the top tourist destinations. So these villas are perfect for Airbnb rentals. And the starting price on these villas is 1.85 million US. But they are 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. They are massive villas. It's not like an apartment or a townhouse. These are villas, perfect for renting. And these units will rent quite easily. Now this is the Northern Coastal Highway that's going through Runaway Bay. So this is where you would access the villas from the highway. And you can see they're right there as you exit the highway or you turn off. And if you go further down this road, you go to Jewel, a massive hotel in Runaway Bay. Now Runaway Bay has a lot of development going on, a lot. Outside of course, Ocho Rios and Draxall, Runaway Bay has probably the most development going on in St. Ann. Lots of housing developments. There is so much going on. I mean, hotels are being built in Runaway Bay. And it's right next door to Richmond, which is a very nice development on the North Coast. Now, they plan to expand the Northern Coastal Highway because there's just so many cars using it. This corridor is just so busy. And it's getting busier because when this development opens, the hotels are built and you have hundreds of, if not thousands of homes being built in Runaway Bay. So they're going to build a bypass for Runaway Bay, which will definitely help. So that meaning if you want to go from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, you don't have to go through Runaway Bay. You can just use the bypass. But if you need to get to Runaway Bay, there'll be an exit when they put in the bypass so you can get here quite easily. And this development, it has 3 types of villas. You have the ocean view villas, the lagoon villa, and the beachfront villa. So it's not like you're going to be looking at the same there's variety in there, let's put it that way. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. We are driving through Runaway Bay on our way to Discovery Bay. So enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major developments going on in Jamaica. And for the smaller developments, we give you updates every month. Also, if there's a video you want us to make or you want us to tour a certain development and make a video, just leave a message in the comment section below. We'd be happy to do it. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.